Hi, I'm LJ with Lift King Products. So today I want to go over your Lift King and exactly how it's going to show up when you receive it and what you have to do to set it up. So let's check that out. So here's exactly how your lift's going to show up. It's going to show up on a 4x4 pallet. The lift is bolted to the pallet and saran wrap to keep everything nice and tight in transportation. The only setup to the lift is a small amount of hardware, and the only tools needed is nothing more than a 1/2-inch wrench and a 9/16 socket. Now we'll get into the minimal assembly needed. So your lift comes with 6 casters total. There are 2 braking, 4 non-braking. They're 4-inch casters. You can see 2 of the casters are already assembled. Now the 2 that have brakes, they go to the back side of the lift, which would be the winch side. The other 2, obviously, here to the front. When you install the casters, that's your only assembly work. After that, then it's just a few minor adjustments and your lift is ready to go to work. This is the way you're always going to store your lift. It'll only take up a 3x3 floor print, but in the storage position, the only thing we got left to set up or adjust is the roller box, and we'll do that next. When it chips in, the roller box is tightened up. There's 4 bolts. You've got 2 on this side, you've got 2 on the opposite side, which I'll show you in a second. But these are tightened down so that the roller box is firm, it don't jiggle around and bounce around in transportation. So the only thing you're going to do is you're going to loosen these 4 bolts up completely. There's 2 here as well. Once you have all 4 bolts loose, you're going to want to run this up and down just a little bit. Just come up and down, just make sure that it's freed up. At that point, strictly hand tighten these. Just turn these in. You can see I'm turning it freely right now. Just turn it in so that it's tight by hand and leave it in that position. As you're using your lift and you're lifting pickup beds or semi beds or whatever it is that you're lifting, if you ever notice that your lift is going up on a maybe crooked or on a slight angle, you're going to immediately go to these adjusters. You can make your fine adjustments so that you can keep your lift going up and down nice and smooth. So I'll set our lift up and we'll show you how that works. So we're going to unpin our leg safety pins, remove our safety chain, and we'll drop the legs into position, and we'll get them pinned. We'll put our boom in position. And we'll insert our safety pin. Now we'll lower the lift a little. We're very proud that the Lift King's built in the US. I hope this video was very helpful. Thanks for watching.